Moving to value-based question, as part of Earth Day celebrations, an inter-class poster making competition was arranged between 9 sections of Class 8. Each section was provided sheet measuring 75 centimeter into 40 centimeter for making the poster. So important note is 75 centimeter into 40 centimeter is nothing but the length and breadth of the sheet provided for each section. But total there are 9 sections of class 8th. So first question, find the total area of sheet provided to the students. Express the area in exponential form. So to solve this question, area of one sheet equal to length into breadth, because it is given in dimensions length and breadth, therefore it is in the rectangle form L into B, which equal to 75 into 40. But since there are 9 sections, therefore then area of 9 sheets equal to 9 into 75 into 40. So the resulting area should be written in the exponential form. This can be written by doing prime factorization method. So 9 can be written as 3 square and 75 can be written as 3 power 1 into 5 square and 40 can be written as 3 to the power of 3 into 5. By applying exponential law, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m plus n. Same thing with the base 5 and 2 cube as it is. So you will get the answer 3 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3 into 2 cube centimeter square. Now moving to second question, write any 2 ways by which you can save the earth. Everyone can take little steps to save the earth. We must not waste water and avoid the use of plastic. Moreover, we must plant more trees and encourage people to not pollute the environment. In this way, we can save the earth.